Cambodian civilians at a shelter near the Thai border expressed worries about their relatives and property on Tuesday as clashes reignited between the Southeast Asian neighbors. According to Associated Press, Cambodia's powerful Senate President Hun Sen on Tuesday vowed that his country would carry out a fierce fight against Thailand as a second day of widespread renewed combat between the Southeast Asian neighbors drove tens of thousands of people to flee border areas. Fighting broke out after a skirmish in which one Thai soldier was killed Sunday night, despite a ceasefire that ended 5 days of fighting in July over competing territorial claims along their border. That round of fighting resulted in dozens of civilians and military personnel dead on both sides and sent over 100,000 fleeing from their homes. Cambodia reports 7 civilians killed and 20 wounded, while Thailand has confirmed 1 soldier's death. The UN has urged both sides to recommit to the ceasefire. Thailand and Cambodia have a history of enmity over centuries and experience periodic tensions along their land border of more than 800 kilometers. The ceasefire that was agreed to end July's fighting was brokered by Malaysia and pushed through by pressure from US President Donald Trump, who threatened to withhold trade privileges from the 2 nations unless they agreed to it. A more detailed agreement signed in October called for removing heavy weapons and equipment from the border, desisting from disseminating false information, accusations, and harmful rhetoric, implementing measures to restore mutual trust and full diplomatic relations, and coordinating operations to remove landmines. None of these actions appear to have been implemented in full or in good faith by either side. After the ceasefire, both nations continued to fight a bitter propaganda war using disinformation, alongside minor outbreaks of cross-border violence.
Bà phây đấy bông anh nhưng được theo ca trong cái hai thép cái đó cái gì của rút ao mà đưa cho 400 con nhẹ đấy nó rồng cá bầy rồi nó bà ao rút cô còn nơi là riêng phây đi kia tên châu phây đấy bông lưu được crop được đu màu giống cô tê được con hay gì màu phi riêng ấy rồi chậu này và tên man tam tụt chóm ấy nè lại rồng cá nó còn là vì lưu crop to vậy nó bà còn lưu trong cô còn một số cái bọc kia dương tranh mà tao phê nè rồi mà nó là 400 con nè bảo mà tôi làm hấp ở đâyผมមានអ្នកស្លាប់អ្នកអីដូចតែគ្នាណាអ្នកសោយខ្ញុំក៏មករកคนនៅយើងផ្ទះហ្នឹងចាប់សបាមទៅដូចនេះបានមានអីបានតែម៉ូតូស្អាតមកផ្លេពីផ្លេមកចូលមកចោលទីអស់ហើយ Và còn miền rùi vào ròm đây là trong mưa đấy ban đề trong xa còn là đôi từ cho cái banh là hốt như được cơm lớn là đôi từ để con tôi vào ròm nó còn đôi từ là trong là mưa bò là bò dương mưa tiêm mưa chứ á dương mà dương phần trong tiêm dương đấy đi sau đài đây và ban đề dương giờ tăng đón lên là nhóm nên còn là vì không về ở dương mò cái này chú mình còn đặc biệt nó nhiều màu đi ọt đi nữa Nhát. Xong đâm từ khăn hai dân xong ai cũng không cần mừng tới rồi chia chuồn dân xong ai này được vạ nên xong ai con cho nó
หมายยังมันใจเนี่ยต้องเอาสุเรียมมาชอบคนนึงชอบเอาเงินสุเรียมไม่ได้ต่อเรียบต้องเอาเลยยังเงินอะไรเรียบในจักรอะไรอะไรเรียบอ่ะไปต่อข้างหน้าลูกปูการนาเดี๋ยวยืงกำปงแต่กรอกซับโกนกับโตตายคลั่งค่ะยืงสักไงจีเพียบยังกรอกซับจังดำเนินการปัญหาหนึ่งล้านการเอากระหายการชิจับวางนะจ๊ะจังยืงเอาตะกร้นต่อสู้ดับไปต่อสู้โกนเรานี่เงินมวยกับสมัครเจ็บตัวเรียนแต่ยังจ้ะดับไปเอาเตยดับไปการปีเจียดเรานี่ใช้ได้ที่เอาเตยเลยเงินมวยไปเอาเตยมันไอ้
ហើយរកកន្លែងស្នាក់នៅបានហើយសូមបងប្អូនមកកក់ស្គាល់នៅកន្លែងស្នាក់អូនធ្វើអី
ตอนนั้นก็รอเตรียมตัวจะหนีนี่เลยจ้าแต่ว่ายังไม่ได้มาปืนเสียงปืนดังรีบเลยจ้ากลัวเนาะใครจะไม่กลัวปืนใหญ่
ดังมากเลย
ดังจ้ะ
ดังสุดทางเลย
ตอนนั้นเราตกใจมาก
ตกใจสิคะก็ใครจะไม่กลัวลูกปืนเขามาตกใส่นะแต่ของเราเนี่ยมันยิงออกไปมันก็ไม่ค่อยกลัวเท่าไหร่แต่กลัวของเขามาตกนะ
แต่ที่จริงแล้วก็ถ้าจะเป็นไปได้ก็ถ้าจะรอบสองก็รอให้มันจบไปเลยเอาให้มันยู่ไปเลยอ่ะโดยที่ไม่มีปัญหาอะไรข้างหน้าต่อไปถ้าปล่อยไปเรื่อยๆเดี๋ยวจะมีถึงลูกหลานอีกมันลำบากเหมือนอย่างนี้แหละ
ก็เหมือนกันแหละเหมือนเดิมนั่นแหละ
มันแบบมันกังวลไหมคะหรือว่า
กังวลมาที่แรกนอนไม่หลับเครียดอยากจะให้เอาให้จบนะทำอะไรก็กังวล
แล้วการที่ต้อง